We are going to be discussing a technique presented originally by Dave Kaesmeyer of DoubleCAD Patent Drafting Services of DoubleCAD.com. The technique is used to turn 2D top, front and side views into an isometric projection view. So right now what we are doing is creating a top and a front view of a block with the two additional blocks cut out of it. Once two of the views have been created, we can then use the construction lines to create the third view. We start by using the angular construction tool to create a construction line through 135 degrees. You then use the intersection of the angled line and the horizontal construction lines to drop perpendicular construction lines. We can hide the construction layer when they are no longer needed. We then proceed to rotate the two views through 45 degrees and minus 45 degrees. We then scale the top view with a Y scaling factor of 0.57735. Similarly, we scale the other two views with an X scaling factor, also of 0.57735. You can then rotate the bottom two views by 30 degrees and -30 respectively. You can position the sides together by quickly relocating the reference point with Alt-D and moving the object with the reference points. You can then use the split tool to break the lines at the specified intersection points. Because these entities were originally created as rectangles, we need to explode them to treat them as individual lines. We then do some editing work with the trim tool to trim lines with cutting edges, or the vector copy command defining reference and destination points. DoubleCAD is very effective, allowing you to use a combination of the escape, spacebar and enter keys to either interrupt or restart commands that have been previously used. You get very quick editing abilities, allowing you to select multiple edges and multiple lines to trim. Within no time, you have created a terrific looking 3D isometric representation of your drawing.